If it ain't raining.
What?
Yeah. If it ain't raining.
We ain't training.
Let's go. What stage are we setting up?
Go fast.
Go fast. That didn't work out so well, Paige. You ready to go?
Yes.
Where you gonna shoot?
Pink rifle?
Pink rifle, you got it.
From Christmas.
For Christmas. All right, Paige. It's first shots with your new rifle. What's his name?
Pinky.
Pinky. What's Pinky look like? Oh boy. Ready to go? You remember what to do?
Uh-huh.
You remember how we drilled? Okay, hop to it. Shoot the small target. Right dead center. Good job. Again.
The small one?
The small one, yep. Keep shooting the small one. Faster. He ain't stopping. It's a zombie. Uh-oh, bad round. The zombies are coming. The zombies are coming. Paige, get on the wall. Save us, Pepe. Get them all. Get them all. Get them all. Get them all. Hey, Pepe. They're still coming. They're still coming, Paige. Get them all. You ran out of bullets. The zombies are still coming. Paige,
Get away!
we're gonna die.
Drop the gun and run!
Remember, you hold it just like I showed you on your 22, okay? Put it in the shoulder. Get your finger off the trigger. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up. I'm gonna hold it up for you, okay? Can you look through the sight? Can you reach the trigger? All right, I'm gonna put it on fire, okay? Look through the sight. Look through the sight. When I click it, you can go ahead and fire, okay? Click. Go ahead and fire. All right, go ahead and fire. Good job. All right, so you ready now? We got an empty magazine. We got one bullet. How old are you?
6.
Tell.
6.
6. Are you scared?
A little.
A little bit? Well, you're gonna do it anyway, huh? All right. Need one bullet? We're on safe. Okay? Put it on your shoulder. Look through the sights. Are you ready? You're on fire. Go ahead and pull the trigger when you're ready. Woohoo! What do you think? It smells. The zombies are coming. The zombies are coming. Paige, get on the wall. Save us, Pepe. Get them all. Get them all. Get them all. Get them all! Hey, Pepe! They're still coming! They're still coming, Paige! Get them all! You ran out of bullets. The zombies are still coming.